Hello everyone, this is Rashmi Marathe, and welcome to my first vlog. Okay, being a professional trainer and especially in soft skills and life skills, I come across this question a lot. Rashmi, how do we overcome the fear of public speaking? This question is asked a lot of times by a lot of students, and they really want to learn how to overcome that stage fear. So today here I am, I'm going to give you the formula which will really help you be the best on stage and help you overcome this fear which we called glossophobia. Glossophobia is a fear of public speaking, being there on stage. Alright, there are many symptoms. Symptoms include shivering, symptoms would include increased heart rate, palpitation, it would include sweating, it would include going blank. This is the most common one. The students come and tell me, I'm blank. I don't know what I'm going to speak. So they prepare the entire day. They have notes with them. They know the content. But when they actually be there on stage, they forget everything. And as a result, they're not able to perform on stage. So here I am going to give you a formula which will help you overcome this fear and be your best on stage. So let's start. The first point, which is very, very important, okay, I'm going to clear the mentality. First thing and first and most foremost thing is it's okay to be nervous. It's absolutely okay to be nervous. I have seen maximum students getting nervous because they think, oh, why am I nervous? Why am I shivering? So let me tell you, it's absolutely okay to be nervous. 90% of people across the world are scared of being on stage. The best of speakers have learned the art of hiding their nervousness, and that's the reason they're called good speakers. Even good speakers like Mr. Modi or maybe any good speaker, Kapil Sharma, during his stage shows, all right, they are nervous, but they have learned the art of hiding their nervousness, and that is why we call them good speakers. So first mentality is it's absolutely okay to be nervous. You only need to know how to hide your nervousness. If you learn the art of hiding your nervousness, you are there. Okay? Point number 2. Most of us tend to focus on content and verbal communication. So we prepare a lot on the content. We are more focused on the verbal communication, which includes grammatical errors or grammatical mistakes that we would make. So we're trying to rectify them. We try to work on our English, our communication. But trust me, 60% what really matters is non-verbal communication. Alright, people think verbal and content matters the most. Content only comprises of the 10%, 30% what matters is the verbal, but 60% what really matters is your non-verbal, which comprises of your body language, of your tone of voice. Alright, so here I am going to give you the formula. Okay, but before I give you the formula, get this straight. What really matters when you speak on stage is your non-verbal communication. People don't remember what you say. People remember the way you say it. So focus on your non-verbal instead of working on your verbal and content. It is important, but just the 10 and the 30%. Okay? Now the last part, the formula. Now here we go. The formula is C factor. SEE. S for smile. Very, very important. You might go blank on stage. You might get scared, but if you carry a beautiful smile on your face, people think you're confident. This helps you to hide your nervousness. So smile. Alright? It shows your confidence. It reflects your confidence even if you're nervous. I might have jitters in my stomach. I might have butterflies in my stomach, but a beautiful smile helps me to overcome that fear. Second, eye contact. So eye contact shows your confidence, and what you want to say, your communication flows through your eyes. People are listening to you through your eyes. So maintain eye contact towards the audience. And the third and the most important, energy. E for energy. Very, very important. Your energy is reflected through your body language and your tone of voice. So using hand gestures, alright, facial expressions, your tone of voice fluctuations, which we call intonations, these things comprise of energy. So let me repeat the formula for you. S, smile. E, eye contact, and E, energy. Once you're good at C factor, you can set the stage on fire and you can surely overcome your fear of public speaking. Thank you so much, everyone. We'll see you guys soon. Thank you.